Hello and welcome to Bikesphere, your go-to channel for everything related to motorcycles. In today's video, we'll be diving into one of the most exciting street fighters of 2025, the Hero Xtreme 160R BS6. With its aggressive styling, upgraded features, and solid performance, the Hero Xtreme 160R continues to be a top contender in the 160 cubic centimeters segment. Let's take a closer look at what makes this bike a favorite for riders. Design and build. The 2025 Hero Xtreme 160R BS6 stands out with its bold and aggressive street fighter styling. From the sharp lines on the tank to the minimalistic tail section, every element is designed to command attention. The muscular fuel tank gives the bike a strong presence, while the sleek headlamp with LED DRLs adds a modern touch. The combination of sharp bodywork and solid build quality makes it an eye-catching choice for city streets. Engine and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Hero Xtreme 160R BS6 features a 163 cubic centimeters air-cooled engine that delivers a solid 15.2 brake horsepower and 14 Newton meters of torque. This powerful engine is paired with a 5-speed gearbox, offering a smooth riding experience whether you're cruising through the city or taking on highways. The BS6 engine is more fuel efficient than ever before, ensuring you get the best of both power and mileage. With its improved power delivery and torque, this bike is ready for any urban adventure. Handling and comfort. The Hero Xtreme 160R is built to tackle both urban roads and twisty routes with ease. It features a lightweight frame and a comfortable riding posture, making it agile and easy to maneuver. The telescopic front fork and monoshock rear suspension ensure a smooth ride even on rough surfaces. Whether you're dodging traffic or zipping through narrow lanes, the Xtreme 160R gives you the confidence you need to take on the streets. Technology and features. The 2025 Hero Xtreme 160R BS6 is equipped with advanced features to enhance your riding experience. It comes with a fully digital instrument cluster that provides all the vital information, including a gear position indicator, trip meter, and service reminder. The bike also features an optional smartphone connectivity system, allowing riders to sync their phones for navigation and call notifications. Add to that the sleek LED tail light and attractive turn indicators, and the Xtreme 160R is a tech lover's dream. Braking and safety. For safety, the Hero Xtreme 160R BS6 is equipped with a front disc brake and a rear disc option, along with single-channel ABS. This system provides precise braking performance, reducing the chances of skidding or loss of control. The bike also features a sturdy chassis, making it stable and reliable in all riding conditions. Whether you're riding in the city or out on the open road, the Xtreme 160R ensures you have full control when you need it most. Conclusion. To wrap it up, the 2025 Hero Xtreme 160R BS6 is a top contender in the 160 cubic centimeters street fighter segment. With its aggressive styling,